Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everyone, welcome back and happy Friday. 75 this morning, 89 this afternoon, and that's above normal for this time of the year as we've been all week, primarily because we haven't had the first major cold front of the season, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen right away. No rainfall today. We did have a couple stray showers around the region. Sunrise tomorrow morning, 7:25, setting at 7:11. Hey, Friday night fever is here, and the forecast looks like this, looking good. Another Friday night that's rain-free, 85 at kickoff time for most of the games, about 83 at halftime, and then we'll be down to 81 by the end of most of the area games. All right, here's another look at the evening forecast. Again, from 7 o'clock on down to midnight, about 77 degrees. Breezy now, but the winds lighten up to single-digit values after midnight. That'll contribute once again to some patchy inland fog. So you can see a couple stray showers that were dying out this afternoon. We just have very stable atmosphere right now, but it's going to destabilize here tomorrow. Warm air flowing into the region, of course, and we have this little wave out in the central Gulf that arrives Sunday, and this little wave right here that will be arriving tomorrow, both containing isolated showers. Front in retreat up to the north. The colder air is staying north and passing off to the east as opposed to coming south. We need that to be heading straight this way, and that's still anywhere from about 7 days out to 15 days out, but we're very, very close. Look at the temperatures up here in the northern plains, 30s and 40s over most of that region, and feeling certainly like fall. 80s here in South Texas and feeling more like late summer than early fall. It's all because of this big ridge of high pressure and the dry air associated with it. You can see right here the moisture, very little, so that's going to deliver isolated showers tomorrow. Then it'll briefly dry out, then isolated showers on Sunday, again tracking off to the west because of the rotation around this upper level high. Low pressure stays north, and all the cold air stays north too along the Canadian border as the jet stream is pushing it away. We need that jet stream to be out of the northwest in order to get a front through here. A southwesterly jet is not going to do it, and it's not going to protect us from the tropics until we get that south of us, but we're very, very close. Now, over the weekend, that high starts to shift off to the east. That opens up the Gulf a little bit more for us, but it's going to shift so far to the east that a tropical system, Invest 97, coming out of the Caribbean, is going to come right up through here as that moves out of the way, and it'll go into the Florida Panhandle and the southeastern U.S. by the middle of next week. So that's very important and very key information right there. Tropical satellite shows we're good here. And again, you can go down and see this system. It's starting to build up down in the Caribbean. And with that, we are seeing that there is a good chance, a high chance, that this is going to develop into Tropical Storm Michael within the next 5 days and then move north. And again, here's why. Initially, high pressure is going to block it off. So this is an inflection point right here, Sunday night, early Monday. That high moves east, and then it goes right around that ridge. The system can ride around the high. As the shear goes away, development is expected. A lot of wind shear right now holding it back, but once that wind shear moves away, this is going to develop, looks like, into a tropical storm, but not be a factor in our forecast. All right, the future tracker shows again isolated showers along the coast, pushing inland tomorrow afternoon. We'll repeat that again on Sunday. Again, very little activity, just enough to temporarily affect your outdoor plans. The rainfall amounts are going to be on the light side, totaling up to a ½ inch in some spots. So here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, and it looks like this. We'll have 76 tonight, 90 tomorrow with isolated showers, 90 again with isolated showers, and breezy on Sunday. Mariners, watch out for that. Breezy on Columbus Day and looks pretty dry. Then the rain picks up Tuesday and Wednesday to scattered showers, and then it just plain old hot and sticky through Thursday and Friday of next week. So, Mike, a little bit of rain this weekend, but not too bad.